Hello everyone, in this tutorial we're going to be showing you how to set up a referral program with Stripe. In order to do this, we're going to be using the Referral Factory service, and we'll be dropping the link in the description below. Now, after you've completed your signing process, you're going to have your dashboard. So currently on our dashboard, we can see build a referral program from scratch. You could decide to create a campaign, or you could decide to come down here and look at the template, which you can start with. So we're going to come over to browse templates and use e-commerce. So we're going to click on use template, and you're going to put in the campaign name. Now we have this. Of course, we could decide to preview it, but if we're fine with this, we could go ahead and click on next. And here you could make an edit here. So you could basically put in any information you want to put here and also here. And then we're going to click on next because this design is fine by us. We're going to put in the start date and the end date. Now there are other details here which you get to fill for yourself. After doing that, you can click on next. And here you could also scroll down to set the rules that will auto qualify the referred users that convert. So you could decide to answer any of these questions. For example, you must set the threshold for the referred user to spend in order to become qualified. So you could decide to say $50 and how many days this referrer has to spend this amount, and other preferential settings which you can have for yourself in order to make this possible. After that, you're going to click on next. And then after everything is set, such as your logo, your name, your information here, and all these are set to your preference, you can click on next. So after all of this is done, all your campaigns and your referral links will be managed by referralfactory.com. Here you can come over to track the progress of your referral program and the campaign status. So this is how to set up a referral program with Stripe.